Mine only has collision avoidance in the front, not on all corners or around the sides. And one time, the controller died, and it was coming home. Well, it did not know that the way that I flew it out and the way that it was trying to come back, there was a tree in the way. Well, it flew 40 feet into it at the top of the tree.
Oh.
And that was a whole day project to
Getting
get
the
it
drone
down.
safely out of the tree.
Yeah, and
Oh.
but the collision avoidance on this thing is really good.
Yeah, I played that game with the neighbor's drone, trying to get it out about 12 feet up in the tree. And when, a 9-foot spear and a little reach, and
Yeah,
it's still a pain.
I took two pool skimmer poles,
Sure.
and I taped two of them together. And they were 14 feet each, and I still climbed like 15 feet into the tree on top of a ladder, and it was
Yeah.
it was fun. But
And then you're hoping it doesn't just knock loose and then fall and break.
yeah,
So
Have somebody underneath it with a net. Yeah, it's one thing if it was a
the controller
$20.
saying, "It's flying now, go."
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, take off.
Go.
But,
Oh, that's cool. No, its video was really neat to watch that the
I was very
following.
pleased with it, too.
Yeah.
Well, and that wasn't even video directly from it as well. That was video streamed to the
Okay.
controller.
Okay, gotcha.
So it actually takes onboard video as well. That goes on a little SD card.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
What time is it? Let me get on the blind end.